Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find and get PUMA deals on DealSeek. So firstly, in order to get PUMA deals on DealSeek, open any of the web browser. And in the top, there's this address bar, type down dealseek.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface, what you need to do is you need to use the search bar at the top right corner here. And you need to type down PUMA and select enter. So over here, you can find all of these PUMA shoes on the specific item that you want. And if available, you can simply select any of the shoes that you prefer to. And here, you can also select this view deal on Amazon. And after that, you can simply select add to cart in the top right corner. And here you need to follow the on-screen instruction, apply any of the promo codes. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries and confusion, please comment down below.